Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. If you're new to my channel, you may not realize that I do things a little bit differently than some of the other people you'll see on YouTube. I do keto a little bit different way. I do a higher protein, moderate fat version of keto that is based on the science of Dr. Stephen Phinney. You can find his research on vertahealth.com. My macros are set so that I can optimize fat loss and also retain my lean muscle mass while I am on my weight loss journey. So here you go. You can see what I ate this entire week. I hope that there's something here that helps you on your own journey. Please let me know if you liked it in the comments below. And I am having a side salad for my first meal today because I'm eating at JCW's with my cutie pie. And here are my lovely wings, my favorite thing to get at JCW's. Don't get the mild wings because they have sugar in them, just get the hot wings. Alright, eating out for dinner, and this is Chubby's Chicken Jalapeno Ranch. So there's ham, bacon, pepper jack, cheddar, and about 5 ounces of chicken, and a salad with not blue cheese, ranch. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Okay, today I'm having my regular breakfast. 40 grams, well, that's actually 45 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 28 grams of provolone cheese, which is 1 ounce, and 227 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt, sweetened with mango peach meal. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so for my second meal today, I'm having a half a pound of Arby's roast beef, and look how cute, they put it on lettuce for me. I grabbed a souvlaki from Crown Burger, and I've got the side salad from Arby's and the Greek salad dressing from Crown Burger that I am going to eat, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Okay, so I got a Caesar salad with 1 deviled egg and about another half of an egg on top, and some veggies, some Parmesan cheese. Okay, so they didn't have very much in the way of meat, so I'm stuck with bacon, eggs, and a piece of ham, more veggies, and some sugar-free Jell-O. You guys make me jealous with your carbs. Come on. I don't care. I'm just joking. This looks really good, so I'm good. And these guys have already eaten. I love how there's no food left. It was spicy? Yeah. You have 2 carbs left? Oh, 2 carbs to eat. And here is what I decided to get: 2 souvlaki, some sauce, and a salad with Greek. We had a good day, didn't we? Alright, finally home. I'm editing photos from the competition, and Chef Dave just made me my favorite food, zoodles with chicken breast, provolone cheese, and a half a cup of ragu alfredo sauce. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Happy Sunday. This is going to be my first meal of the day. You can go ahead, it's fine. I have 2 fried eggs, 50 grams of bacon, and 1 ounce of bread cheese that I overcooked. You can fry that cheese up. You can also do that with halloumi cheese. And 227 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt with lemonade Neo. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so tonight I am having 4 chicken legs with Frank's wing sauce on top and some salad with ranch dressing. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Good Monday morning. Here is my first meal of the day. Chef Dave just made this up for me while I was in the bath. That was so nice of him. It's about 11:30. We're going to head out soon to go do some dance photos. So I am having 2 fried eggs, 50 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of halloumi or bread cheese, and 227 grams of Fage 0% Greek yogurt, sweetened with mango peach meal. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, tonight we are having shredded chicken taco salad. I choose shredded chicken rather than ground beef because
then I can put tons of cheese and sour cream on top and stuff like that. So I have 3 tablespoons of sour cream and 2 ounces of cheddar cheese on top of 5 ounces of shredded chicken and a cup of lettuce, a little bit of olives, and about 60 grams of tomatoes. And that is going to be my last meal of the day.
Okay, so I went and got Wendy's new Southwest avocado chicken salad. This is different than the salads they've had before that have the corn and stuff in it. This doesn't have corn. It's just pepper jack cheese, a little bit of bacon, some avocado, some chicken, tomatoes, and lettuce, and some ranch dressing. It's pretty awesome. This is only 41 grams of protein, and I need at least 60. So I went ahead and grabbed some stuff from the, what do we call it? Gas station? Yeah. Went over to the gas station and grabbed also some peanuts and these little rotinis. These are great in a pinch. They sell them at 7-Eleven. I'm not sure if they sell them. They sell them at Maverick sometimes. But this is a little bit prosciutto, around mozzarella. And these are about 13 grams of protein. And this one is about 13 grams of protein. So if I eat all of that, it should fill my protein need. It'll probably put me over on my fat a little bit, but not too bad.
Alrighty, I am having my favorite thing, ragu alfredo sauce over 5 ounces of chicken and some provolone cheese and a little bit of squash. It's the yellow zucchini squash kind of things. And that's going to be my last meal of the day and my last meal of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it.
Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found something that helps you be a little bit more successful in your own keto journey. If you like this video, please give it a nice thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more information and tips and tricks on how to lose weight on a ketogenic way of eating. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. We'll talk to you again soon.